If you are looking forward to getting your videos to large amount of audience, you want your videos to be discovered by millions of people. You actually want to increase your views on your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you practically how you can get the kind of content that people are willing to watch. And if you make videos on them, your videos will be discovered on the Google, it will be discovered on the YouTube search, and also on an external site. Because if you actually want to get at least 1 million views on your YouTube videos, you need to get your videos to the right audience, most especially in the large amount of audience. So let's dive in, as I'm going to be showing you practically how you can get your videos to get views and get discovered on the YouTube channel. No matter which niche you are making videos on, no matter which content you actually want to make, whether you are doing content on gaming or you are doing content on motivational, or let me say you are using AI to generate some kind of storytelling video. What you do is just go to your YouTube, go to the YouTube search, then search the keywords that people will be using in searching that kind of content. Let's say if you actually want to make videos on how to increase more views on YouTube, just type in how to increase. Now see how to increase. Now see the first in the auto suggestion, see the first keyword. It says how to increase views and subscribers on YouTube. Now what I'm going to do is, these are the keywords that people are using in searching this kind of content. Now you have to pick the best out of these keywords. Pick the best and know how many people who are searching this kind of keywords. Now let me pick the first one, how to increase views and subscribers on YouTube. Now what you need to do is go to your Opera Mini and search for vidIQ. Search. Click on the first link. If you like, you can link your channel, but I did not link my channel now. Click on this icon. Click on research. Now let's type in the first keywords. This is how to get views and subscribers on YouTube. Type in Go. Now see the overall score of people who are searching it, 55. See the search volume, 4,871. See the competition, 46. Now let's take a look at the keyword suggestion. This one says how to get views and subscribers on YouTube. Let's take how to grow on YouTube. Now see this one, how to grow on YouTube. Overall score is 73. Search volume 341,348. See the competition, 40. See the views per hours, 114,935. Now this kind of content, if you make videos on them, like how to grow on YouTube, if you make videos on them, see the people, how many people who are searching it, then it shows that your content has the potential of getting more than 314,341. It shows that you are heading to a 1 million views. So no matter which content you are making on, just type in the keywords. Now let me say I want to make videos on Premier League. Type in Premier League and search. Now see the overall score, 60. See the search volume, 349,113. The competition is 43. Now see the amount of people who are searching this content, Premier League. It says 2,960,388. Just imagine. If you make content on this Premier League now, see the amount of people who is going to watch this content per hours. Just see. So this is how you can do research on the kind of keywords, on the kind of videos you actually want to make, and start getting a lot of views. Now let's say, even though if you are making videos on gaming, let's say gaming channel or gaming video. Let me say gaming video. Let me search. Now see gaming video. See the amount of people who are searching it, 74 overall score. See this search volume, 325,268. The competition is very low. If you are making content on gaming, you have the potential of getting a lot of views. Now see the people who are searching it per hour, 1,100,000 152,299. If you can make videos on this kind of content, you are going to get a lot of views. And if you make content on them, just build your content around gaming videos. Your keywords should be built around gaming videos. So this is how you can know the kind of the overall score of people who are searching this kind of content, and you make videos on them. That's why it is very, very important for you to make videos on what people are searching and not just making videos on what you like. Now, if you actually want to rank your videos on the Google, this is how you do it. Just go to the Chrome. Now search keywords research tool. Keyword research tool. This is it. Click on it. Now you want to know the keywords that you can actually build your content around. Now see Google. If you want to make videos on Google, or you want your videos to be ranked on Google, you want to know the kind of keywords people are using to searching this kind of videos on Google. This is Google. Now for YouTube, this is YouTube. For Bing, for Perplexity, for Amazon. So since it is Google I actually want to rank my videos for, I just click on Google. Then click on this place. You can see all news, image, videos. Since it is video, click on video. Now let's search how to get more views on YouTube. Now search. Now you can see the reason why you can see the total keywords is 230. Now the total search volumes, the reason why this one will refuse to display the search volume is because I have not subscribed to this website. Now see, just what you just need to do, if you don't actually have money to subscribe, just pick all these keywords. See the first keyword, how to get more views on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube Shorts, how to get more views on YouTube videos. If you build your keywords around all these kind of keywords, you are going to get your video to be discovered on the Google. Now if you actually want to copy all this, just click on this, then click on copy. Then everything has now been copied on your keyboard. So you now just go to your YouTube and make videos on them and upload it. Then now after you have getting this kind of keywords and you have made your videos on them, one thing you need to do for this thing to work is for you to, after you have uploaded the video, before you click on publish, go to under see more. After you have uploaded the video, go to see more, click on see more, then go downward and see, go downward and see this under license, this license. So make sure you tick allow embedding. The reason why you need to tick this allow embedding is for your videos to be visible on an external site, because this is the only way you can make your videos to be searched on Google, Bingo, any other kind of website aside from YouTube. So you should allow embed. If you don't allow this embedding, all these things I just show you will not work for you. It will not work because your videos will not be discovered on other external sites. So allow embedding, and that's how you get your videos to be optimized for large amount of audience. So this is the practical way you can actually make your content and build it around what people are currently searching. And after that, after you have uploaded it correctly, just click on publish and your videos is live. So this is the practical way of how you can get it. Now if you find it very helpful or you still have a question, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, make a comment. Thank you guys.
Yeah.